I actually got the tail end of it. Like in the last second of it. That was T scoring. Third goal of the day.
That was pretty.
Oh, well, good pass though.
Yeah.
Good position. I think I got it. The last second of it. He'll enjoy watching that. I don't know. What do you think, Nana? About 6-4 maybe?
Yeah.
They're losing?
Maybe 7-4.
Something like that. The white team looks like they've coached a little bit more. That goalie's played the whole game, huh?
Yeah.
You got it, Colt?
Well, I think, Jim, they were going to try to start 9:30.
Yeah.
Help him out, Colt. Get it, Colt.
Black on black on black.
Turn around, Colt. Go, Colt.
Oh, gee.